that
The Landwirt.com crew is now in Lackendorf, Burgenland. And we're visiting a farmer we've already been a guest of before, namely Franz Krötzschul. Hello, Franz.
Hello, Denise.
I already mentioned it in the first video back then. We would definitely come visit you again because you're simply a tinkerer and a farmer with passion. And now we have two machines here in front of us. Franz, tell us, what exactly have you created and built here?
Yes, I spend a lot of time working with mulch and direct seeding, and I've always had the problem that I struggled with the organic matter. In dairy farming, we can't use glyphosate. Now the question is, how can I control my weeds mechanically? So I've tried many things, tinkered a lot before, and in the end I found a really good machine in Hungary from the company Buscher. This is the rotor, which actually works great. There's no clogging because the rotor is rotating and basically just lets the organic matter pass through at the back. So basically the Buscher machine works quite well, but still 2 to 3 passes are necessary, and then the machine or the rotor has always only worked in the middle. And then I had a slight hill or ridge in the middle or a lot of organic matter. That could potentially be problematic during a second or third pass. Crossing the rotors was important to me, so I could also work in the other direction. So I don't get any mulch material back in the row. Can throw in so I can cover the ground. That's why I decided to make something myself that I could control hydraulically and easily from the tractor seat. And that way I can adjust the different working phases while driving. And that's how this machine was created.
Okay, and with this machine, you can't just perform one work process, but many work processes with one.
Bas, tell us.
So how do you put this together now?
Exactly. So the dream of every farmer is almost the multicultural, multifunctional device that usually exists. I think I almost developed this machine for myself. In the spring, I do strip till. In the winter, there's cover cropping. I cover this strip with mulch material, adjust the rotor to be wide, and mulch or work the organic matter into the slot. After that, I put the machine in front and open up this slot again, and that way I have an optimal seed bed for the corn afterwards. Those are 2 operations that I combine with preparation for other tasks. And then I actually have a maintenance measure that I do on my own. And I can basically mulch the material back into the cornfield so that the soil is covered. Similar to cut and carry so that no weeds grow back. That means I have a machine that I use 2 or 3 times beforehand. And even now in the fall, during the harvest, I can pull out the stubble, basically shave it off between day and night, open it up a bit instead of mulching. I can drive faster, I don't need any power requirements. That means, I can't say exactly right now, but I think that even with my 100 horsepower tractor, I could run a 6-meter machine. And I would need so much less diesel than I would with a mulcher. And I'm basically already preparing the seed bed for the next grain sowing.
What did you install on this machine and what did you focus on? What was most important to you?
Yeah, so I installed the standard Buscher rotors and the wheels. I already had those at home from another machine. And for the base frame, I just bought iron parts from the metal worker. Then I sketched, drew, and experimented with it. It was just important to me that the machine is compact, that it can be easily adjusted from transport to working with, and that it's suitable for both front and rear use. For the road transport dimensions, we now have 2.57 meters, which means we're under 3 meters, and that's really great. The engine needs some space for the drive shaft, so in use it's about 3.5 meters. The weight class is 800 kilos, which means it's actually lighter than the original machine.
All right, then let's talk about the original machine again, because you obviously don't want to withhold the other one. And the will soon be listed on Landwirt.com.
Right. Exactly. So now that I have the perfect machine for myself, I basically don't need the original machine anymore. And that's why I'm going to list it on Landwirt.com and can find a buyer there.
That sounds great. We're really happy to hear that. Franz, thank you so much for introducing your homemade machines. Let's see if we'll come visit you a third time and what
you'll have in store for us then.
Dear viewers, you saw it. We're happy to visit Selber Bauern again. Send us your creative and brilliant projects. We're looking forward to them and, of course, to your submissions.